Thank you for joining Veronica's Core Lab and Magnolia 2.0. We enjoyed creating this piece and another DIY video that we will have in our description box to take a look at. This is going to be the basis of an upcycle that we're going to do as a piece that we're going to utilize in a bedroom. The lovely magnolia blossoms, they stand alone beautifully by themselves, but because of the shade that they are in this off-white creamy color, we're able to utilize pops of color that we want to bring out in this particular bedroom setting that we're going to create that will have a shabby chic French provincial romantic feel. The items that we're going to be utilizing are from Walmart, Michael's, and of course Dollar Tree. We added a reflective element to this particular chandelier, not with crystals or acrylic, but with satin ribbon and mirrored pieces. We like the way that this basically has created the reflective element on this particular piece, creating the romance and feel that we were looking for. We thank you for joining Veronica's Decor Lab. We hope that you like what you see, and we hope that you'll be able to comment and share and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to where you're notified of our next uploads. We thank you for joining Veronica's Decor Lab. Again, like, comment, and share. We never say goodbye. We always say so long.